Here we are, room 114. Do the honors, Jennifer. Ooh, look at the space in this room. Our luggage is here already. My days, look at this. It is spacious and lovely. We've actually been upgraded. My days. Let's go around here and have a look, Jen. The bathroom looks wonderful. I'm loving the color, the blue color. It is fantastic. My days, look at this. I feel like a king, and I'm sure Jennifer feels like a queen. Nice. Now, as we've come in, this is what I've spotted. They've actually left us a bottle of champagne. Look at that, 2 glasses and some little knick-knack sandwiches. It looks like cheese sandwiches. This is wonderful. And over here we have apples, green apples, red apples, 2 more glasses, water, and a bottle of wine. Oh my days. I feel so happy today. Got your mini bar. Let's see what's in here. Oh, lots of stuff. Milk bar, whiskey, vodka, water, beer. It's all in here inside the mini bar. We'll look at the prices later. And with my experience, mini bars are not cheap. A king size bed. Look at the size of the bed. It's amazing. And from our bedroom, from the bed, you can actually see the bathroom. Don't know why they've done that for, but you know, it looks good. So let me open this up a bit. And yes, so you've got your bathroom there and you've got your bed here. Here we go, we've got our soaps, we've got our conditioner, shampoo, and body milk. What's that all about? Body milk. Okay. Over here we got like bath and shower gel, more soaps. What's this over here? Sewing kit. My days, it's all here. B-day, toilet, B-day, phone. Ooh, I like this light. It's flashing. I like it. Look at that. I like it.
It's a camera.
Well, it's the camera. It's actually the camera effect. What is Jennifer up to? What's Jennifer doing? Oh my God. Look at her, man. Mad, you know? Mad as a hat. Look at her. Now, the size of that bulb, it's as big as a balloon. But it looks really good with the rope. Man, this design is something else. I've never seen anything like this before. I think they like ropes in Cyprus. Look at this rope. Rope again inside the wardrobe. I don't know what this rope is all about, but I like it. I like the way it looks. You've got your hangers here, quite a lot of space, and there's a log down here. Don't know what that's about, but it just looks good. I like that woody look.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Extra pillows. Wonderful. And look at the size of this mirror. Look at the size of it, man. My God. Massive. Nice table. And you can hear the relaxing music coming out of the television. Right, I need to see the view. Let's see what's going on out here. Let's see. Oops. Oh my days. How are we going to do this now? Man, this is difficult. Okay, I think this is it. Yeah. Oh, there it is. I see it. There it is. That has to go up as well. Well, the security here is good. So, my days. Look at this view. What a beautiful hotel. So it's like a outside settings there, romantic dinner. We'll go over there for a romantic dinner later, Jen. Maybe not today, but one day. And look at this wonderful pool. It is. And look at my wife. Happy boy.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm glad. Happy wife, happy husband. You listening, guys? Good.
What does this remind you of?
What?
The glass thing over there. When you watch the movies and the fighting and the drop with the glass ceiling.
Jennifer, it didn't remind me of that. My God, what a mind. What a mind, man. Violence. But yeah, out here is wonderful. So, now look at the daytime view from our room. Over there, that's where we'll be having dinner later on today. Over there, as you can see, there's more seats for dinner. The pool is right in front of our room. And over there, you can see the sea. This is a wonderful place to have a holiday.